Okay, here's that engaging YouTube video script for Tide. Ever dreamt of being your own boss? Building something from the ground up? The freedom, the flexibility, it all sounds amazing, right? But then reality hits. There's paperwork, legalities, and a whole new world of financial stuff to figure out. One question you might be asking yourself, is my Tide account a business account? Let's rewind a bit. Maybe you've been using the awesome Tide app to manage your personal finances. It's sleek, easy, and keeps everything organized. Now, you're dipping your toes into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. You're selling your amazing crafts online, freelancing your design skills, or maybe even starting a dog walking service. It's all happening, but should you use your existing Tide account for your budding business? Understanding the difference. This is where things get interesting. Tide actually offers two distinct account types, personal and business. The personal account, the one you might already be familiar with, is fantastic for managing your day-to-days, groceries, bills, that weekend getaway. It keeps everything organized, helps you budget, and makes everyday banking a breeze. The business account, on the other hand, is specifically designed for those entrepreneurial hustlers out there. It's built to handle the unique needs of a business, from separating your business finances from your personal funds, crucial for tax season, to sending and receiving invoices, managing business debit cards for your team, and even integrating with popular accounting software. Benefits of a business account. Think of it like this: your personal finances are like your cozy pajamas, comfortable, familiar, perfect for lounging at home. Your business finances, however, are like that sharp new suit, professional, ready to take on the world, and perfect for making a good impression. Here's where a Tide business account truly shines. Imagine being able to easily track your business income and expenses, see exactly where your money is flowing. No more scrambling come tax time, wondering where that receipt for office supplies went. Plus, features like sending and receiving invoices professionally make you look legit, even if your business is just starting out. Who needs a business account? Now, the question remains, is a Tide business account right for you? Well, it depends on the stage of your entrepreneurial journey. If you're just testing the waters, selling a few crafts here and there, your personal Tide account might still suffice. But if you're starting to see consistent sales, have multiple clients, or plan to grow your business, a business account becomes essential. Here's a good rule of thumb: if you're starting to feel a little overwhelmed managing your business finances with your personal account, it's probably time to make the switch. Making the switch. The good news? Transitioning to a Tide business account is a breeze. It's a quick and easy process that can be done entirely within the app. Plus, Tide offers different account tiers designed for businesses of all sizes, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Beyond the basics. But Tide goes beyond just basic banking features. They offer educational resources and helpful tools to empower you on your entrepreneurial journey. There are webinars on everything from marketing to bookkeeping, and a vibrant online community where you can connect with other business owners and share experiences. Addressing concerns. Maybe you're worried about fees or a complicated setup process. Fear not. Tide prides itself on being transparent and affordable. Their business account fees are clear and competitive, and the app is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't financial wizards. So, is your Tide account a business account? While your personal Tide account is fantastic for everyday life, if you're serious about taking your entrepreneurial dreams to the next level, then a Tide business account is the perfect partner on your journey. With its powerful features, budgeting tools, and built-in support system, Tide empowers you to focus on what you do best, building your amazing business.